This thing they always dey happen for Nigeria. And they imagine say why? If you know all those people when get a business, when get stores for Nigeria, that they always they do one thing. Because we just declare say government should come and clear our road, government should come and do this. Even the thing when you eat throw away for road, you defer government me one container for you. That is not right. Government cannot do everything for us. There are some times we need to do something by ourselves. Government not fit do anything for us. Some people going to tell you, hey, government, come and pack my shit. Government, okay, pack my caca. Government, come and pack this. Government not fit do everything. You want put business for road. Now there for the collect money. Now there for you. Now for the collect your life service. You suppose maintain your environment. Put this woman. I see this video. The way the woman take talk. The Ministry of Environment and something. The way it talk. I just admire her. He not harsh, he not talk, but he always give the advice. Only what I don't like the man consider the man because of fear. He knows what he do wrong. I don't know why Nigeria like that thing. If they don't do something when they don't wrong, they'll call the call person when they seen your mommy. God, because of they defend the little words when they want a bribe. Call him mommy. God, the woman say, why be say? If time don't reach when environmental people when they control cleanliness and all those stuff, want to come your store, come take control your environment. Now that one I can remember say grass is nothing big. They were making clear. Eh? Grass when it don't grow since 98 and never clear. It's not right. We're supposed to still help ourselves because even Bible write and say cleanliness is nearer to godliness. If you don't know, person when they clean, now they get favor well. If your environment clean, you they get favor. Well, my case something. So people now don't talk say when I start pastor, I need to still break something down for now so that not go understand. You see, all these people like they cry pass say the country is not moving well. The country is not moving well. Whereas where they take the hand money day and night, they not the cleaner. We are grass now grow like a iroko tree. Even normal green grass now grow like iroko tree. They can't get roots. The day when they call yourself environmental sanitation one come, now that day they can't they clean. Those of you now will never see this video when they ask them why be saying that day they call they clean. Oh yeah, see something.
This is what we talk about, taking ownership of the environment. This is what we see every day. The moment they hear we are coming, people begin to clean their environment. This is what I call hypocrisy. They have been here. If you look at these men now, trying to clear this place, they have been here. We resumed work yesterday after the answers, and look at what they are doing today. Just because they heard that we're already at the beginning of the Red Labor Road, they are here clearing their own portion. My question is, why do you have to wait for somebody to compel you to keep your environment clean? It's all about your environment. This is where they earn their living. This is where they work. This is where their tomorrow relies on. But they will have to wait until they see, oh, Capital Territory, Ministry of Environment, or any of the government agencies coming before they do what is right. This is very embarrassing. They are here. Maybe they should tell us why they have to wait for people to come to compel them to take their bath, to keep the environment clean.
Okay, why did you have to wait this long?
We sprayed chemical before, so we don't know say the thing no go dry. So as we hear say, mommy they come, we say make we no come wait for the chemical. We don't spray chemical.
You don't wait for the chemical.
It be like saying I don't dilute that chemical well because the ones you claim to have sprayed chemical, they are still looking very green.
Beyond the chemical, is it the same chemical that will sweep the environment? They are clearing and sweeping the environment. Do you also use chemical for your environment? Where you earn your living, look at where you are. We gave directive over 1 year ago that premises should be fenced. Look at what is it. Turn to your back. Turn. Is that fence? This is supposed to be a fence, have you? Caution tape. See them all from here to the edge. Good.
Shebi you just see am. You don't see the video. God. And just tell me how the country want you stay better. How you want it better. This one go they do something where they collect money, go say I don't care. And at that place they collect money, how the thing may we change. And they beg now. No, keep your environment clean. It's still there. As your environment clean, you go still there against all those disease where they follow dirty. You no fit contact any disease, you dey healthy. This thing not be for government, na for our own self-health. Na our health, na this thing even involve into. More try to dey still dey help ourselves sometimes. That's why some people their body dey vex for them. You go say since when I tell you, you never have clean where you dey stay. Their body dey vex for them. Let's go to the next news, no time.